Hello everyone, welcome back to the another video on API management. Today in this video we are going to learn how do you manage your APIs or the API management configuration with the help of Visual Studio API management extension. Before I begin the discussion, it's my humble request to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you don't miss the notification for the upcoming videos which I'll be uploading in future. Without getting further delay, let's begin the discussion. Visual Studio Code provides really good extensions to manage API management configurations and settings. You can go on the Visual Studio Code, click on the extensions. Make sure you have installed the Azure account extension so that you can log into your Azure subscription with the help of Azure account extension. If you have already done that, let's search for the API management or APIM. Then you get this particular extension in place. You install this extension and then you are good to go. Once you click on the extension, you will see this icon, Azure icon, and here you will see you get the options like resource group, databases, and the API management as well. I've already logged into my subscription with the help of Azure account. Once you expand the subscription, all the list of API management will be displayed here. Currently we have this particular API management. If I expand further, you get all the configurations such as an APIs, gateways, global policy, named value pairs, and the products. So anything related to the API configuration, you get it here. Let's go to the APIs. You can see that we have the two APIs, the demo conference API, which we have imported in our previous video, and the default API, which is Echo API. From the API panel, you can import the API with the help of OpenAPI file, or if you have the OpenAPI Swagger file URL, you can use the Swagger URL to import the API into the API management. You can also use the Azure Functions or App Service to import the API into the API management. If you would like, you can set up a global policies on your API management. It's really simple. If anything or any configuration which you are doing it here, you make the configuration, any changes like that, and then save and push it. Once you click on save, at the bottom of your screen, you'll get a pop-up icon which will ask you, would you like to upload the changes? If you click on upload, then it will push the changes onto the actual API management instance. So it's fairly easy and simple. Next, you can manage your named value pair from this particular option. Let's create a named value pair. So I'll call the as a user secret, then value is called some data, and then it will call, is it a secret? Yes. Then it's going to create a name value pair for our API management. It's really easy. While it is creating the name value pair, we'll go to the products, and from the products you can see we have the list of all the available products configured for your API management. You can anytime go to any existing products and then modify the value of the product. If I expand the products will have the related list of APIs, policies. For example, if you would like to manage or configure the policy at the product level, then this particular representation in the Visual Studio Code makes easy to manage all your products and policies right here in the Visual Studio Code. If you are finding it difficult to understand in the API management level, here is the place. I really like this particular layout to manage all my configuration in the APIs through the portal itself. For example, you get the options here. So let's say you can manage your policies. So let's say we have created our policy. We have created our inbound policy. Let's say we have created our name value secret, and so the same we can use it here in the inbound policies, set header policy. So what we are going to do is we are going to use user.secret and then it will overwrite the value, something like that. So this is how, once you save it, you can upload the changes, and this will upload the changes to the API management. Now next thing which is really cool about this particular extension is you can test your API right from here. So if I go to the APIs, so let me go to the API really quickly. I'll close this out. This is my API, all the API operations. So I'll go to the API operation, for example. Let's say right click here and then you click on here, then test operation. So once you click on test operation, this will open a blade. Then you get the option get request. This is the get operation. You provide the key, subscription key. So you need to provide the subscription key. To get the subscription key, you right click on this particular API management node and then copy subscription. This will copy the master key. And then once you have the master key, you can, for the test, you can provide the master key here and then send the request. Click on this link, send request. This will send the request and you can see that we have got the response. So this is how you can test your APIs directly from the Visual Studio Code. Again, you can manage your policies from any level, like you can manage through the global level, API level, or the operation level, or simply the product level. You can add the APIs to the product. For example, if I would like to add an API to a product, so I don't want to save this. Let's say this is the conference API, for example. This I don't have any APIs here on this particular product. I would like to add a product API to this product. I'll go and add the existing API, which is the demo conference API, or if I would like to create new, then choose a new API. Select the existing API. It will add the existing API or demo conference API to demo conference product. I can double click on my product configuration, and on my product configuration we can see that this is what the configuration we would like to make changes. So if you want to make any changes, for example, let's say I'll make changes, subscription limit instead of 2, I'll make it to 10, so that any particular user they can subscribe up to 10 subscription per user. So let's make the changes and push it forward. This is how you can push the changes to the subscription. If you would like to extract an API or extract the entire API management configuration, then you can use the extraction functionality. For example, I can use right click extract service. I can directly extract the entire service configuration, or let's say if I would like to extract only a specific API, I can use the extraction directly from the extract API. So I can right click on the API, extract API. This will ask me for the location to specify location, so I'll say extract here, so that will extract the functionality, the API basically, on this particular location. You can edit an open API. For example, if you would like to edit the API, you can open the edit mode and then make any changes to your open API specification right here in the API management, like this, and then you just save the changes and then push it to the actual instance. So this is how Visual Studio API management extension can be really helpful to test or configure your API management APIs in many ways. I hope you find this demo helpful. If you have any question, please do let me know, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching it. See you in the next video.